Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here. Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka next week ku-Inimba kusukela ngoMsombuluko umhla 11 August 2025 kuya ngoLwesihlanu mhla ka-15 August 2025. Okay, ngomsombuluko umhla 11 August 2025 uLukhanyo drugs Hlathi publicly and without mercy for how treated his sister. Uzoleka draws a line in the sand. The Mabandlas must go. Peace come at a cost, and Tumeka and her children must pay it. NgoLwesibili mhla 12 August 2025, Uzoleka forces a new order, and the Mabandlas are left scrambling. Meanwhile, a flirtation brews behind office's door between two unexpected young stars will its end in spark of scandal. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-13 August 2025, Uzoleka won her house back, but Nsik is dropping a landmine that rocks her core. Sydney and Zoleka reach unexpected common ground, while Tumeka's once vibrant home encouses with emptiness. NgoLwesine mhla ka-14 August 2025, Hlathi demands control, but Zoleka saves him cold hard truth. Way to make his move on Qhawe with intention that might just be too good to be true. NgoLwesihlanu mhla 15 August 2025, Uzoleka faces the truth and walk away from the toxic love. Ulinda and Lwandle get dangerously close to a line they can't uncross. Lazarus and Zoleka share a moment that could ignite something for Bindi. Ngebamba lana ungakhohlwa ukucinezela notification bell nokusubscribe lamashow wakho. Bye.